So what is pervasive load balancing? Pervasive load balancing, or PLB for short, is a product that allows the fabric to act as a giant load balancer. That is, every leaf switch does layer 3, layer 4 load balancing. The PLB load balances traffic at line rates to services distributed across the data center fabric. PLB provisioning is achieved via Data Center Network Management, DCNM for short, or via Puppet. Since the fabric acts as a load balancer, there is no need for an external load balancing device, thus lowering the CapEx OpEx. Let me demonstrate how pervasive load balancing works. The topology shows a VXLAN EVPN fabric with two RR spines, RR1 and RR2, two leaf switches, which are distributed Anycast gateway device, and the border leaf. Here, this will now demonstrate load balancing functionality from north-south and east-west traffic flows in this topology. Flow 1 and Flow 2 represent north-south traffic from outside the data center. When the packets of Flow 1 arrive at the border leaf, they are load balanced to server 4 based on the flow pattern match. Similarly, when packets of Flow 2 arrive at the border leaf, they are load balanced to server 2. Packets of Flow 3 coming from a VM server in the data center represent east-west traffic. When packets of Flow 3 arrive at the attached leaf, they are load balanced to server 4. Thus, it is seen that PLB enables the border leaves and all leaves to become load balancers. Now let's discuss DevOps with respect to automation and simplifying the provisioning of PLB.
There are different ways to automate the provisioning of PLB. Let's show first how this is done with DCNM. DCNM pushes the PLB configurations to all the leaves and border leaf devices which are acting as load balancers here. PLB can be automated using Puppet as well, which is shown here. Let's summarize the key differences and/or advantages going with PLB as opposed to an external load balancer. Load balancing is being provisioned at fabric speeds. Today, it's terabits and can go beyond based on the future fabric's capability. Single hop reachability to load balance traffic to any server across the fabric. Compared to external load balancers, provisioning of PLB is very easy. Without the external load balancing equipment, obvious CapEx and OpEx savings. The PLB provides analytical information with respect to flow and server load statistics per leaf or fabric-wide. PLB load balancing is done based on the packet's layer 3, layer 4 information.